Dave here, and we arrived on location. Today is the final walkthrough of this multi-family home transformation you've been watching over the last couple of months. This house has been completed, the floors are finished, the walls were painted, everything is done now, the family's ready to move in, and we're going to do our final walkthrough of both apartments, of the main house and the brand new apartment that we built in the back for the mom. So let's go in, we're going to take a look floor by floor. All right, take a look at the front of the house here. Look at how nice this came out. We had the driveway, paving stones, the side entry. This place looks amazing. Let's walk around a little bit. Okay, you can see the double meter, and this main structure was completely remodeled, reorganized, and then we built that apartment in the back there, which was added onto the house. And on the side steps here, we created an entry into the main house and an entry into the apartment. This used to be a two-family, one apartment on the lower level, one apartment up top, and everything's been redone here. Look at all everything's new. The siding, the stone. Decorative stone package. We had the foundation coating on the lower level. Really looks good. Okay, we're going to go in the house now. We're going to take a look at each floor. The first floor, then the second floor, the basement, and then the rear apartment. All right, guys, so here it is. This is the final walkthrough of this particular two-family home transformation. We're in the front area when you walk in the door, and this home was completely transformed for this family. This used to be 6 or 7 rooms throughout the front to back here from where we're standing. And what we did is create an open floor plan with a series of flush and raised headers. We created the separate rooms with the archways to create their own identity. You have the kitchen, you have the dining area, and then over here you have the living room, and then the entryway. This family specifically wanted an open floor plan. They saw our videos over the years. They wanted to transform their home, and this is what we created for them. They approved the floor plans, and we went to work and made their home a reality. Look at the beautiful work going up the stairs there. This used to be, again, just to recap, a two-family home that we transformed. The front door location was always the same, and what we did is, you used to come in here, there'd be a foyer in this area over here. There'd be a door to go up to a staircase, not this stairs, a whole other old staircase. And then you would turn and come into the first floor apartment. And we completely redid that whole area. Also, the floors had different levels. In the back there, the floor dropped down 4 inches, and upstairs it did the same thing in the same area. We leveled off the floors and made this one big open space. And you can see how nice this came out. All the crown moldings, oversized trim. As we turn through here, we have the dining room. They're gonna have the dining room table over here. Look at the nice size of this room. And you have the basement stairs going down, all oversized windows, uniform throughout. And then for the dining area and the living area to put furniture, we made the higher awning windows. This came out beautiful. Take a look at this kitchen. We have an espresso cabinetry, all designed through our kitchen design department. And look at the island, eat-in island. You have the chairs over there. You have a TV on the wall, and it just came out amazing. All stainless steel appliances. We have the built-in microwave, ice maker with a refrigerator, dishwasher, range, hood. So as you come in through the side, We have another closet over here. There's a closet by the entry. And you walk in, you have your kitchen, and then you have your eating island. And over here you have a half bath, and then another closet, which has all been set up. We have the closet all with the shelving package. Look at this bathroom. Cute little half bath here with the sink, mirror, lighting, and all the floor tile. Everything's installed. We take care of everything. One more look from this angle. We're standing in the dining room. Look at the crown moldings all the way around. We have some nice molding going throughout this area. Oversized door and window molding. We have the base molding. Look at how nice this came out all the way throughout. Guys, this is turnkey. Bring your furniture in. This place is ready to move in. What a transformation. This is just the first floor of the main house. We're gonna go upstairs. We have 3 beds, 2 bathrooms, a laundry, and a beautiful trim package going up the stairs, along with crown moldings in the master bedroom and the hallway. So let's go up there and we'll take a look. All right, guys, so we're coming upstairs here, and we have 3 beds, 2 bathrooms, and a laundry up here. But look at the beautiful wall panels that we created, crown molding up on top of the ceiling there, and we have a very nice chair rail. This goes all the way down the stairs. This really brings this hallway together. This particular house has a arch top 2-panel door style that they chose. We have the laundry right over here, and then the master bedroom. So let's take a look at each room one by one. All right, so we'll go through each room, and right here we have a closet complete with the shelving package. And then as we go in here, this is one of the bedrooms, and this is one of the rooms for their children. Oversized windows, and we have a nice size closet right here that is complete with the shelving package. All that's included with this particular project. We have the switch right here for the light. We have air conditioning in here. And as we go through here, look at the beautiful paint job. Everything's been completed in here. Now this has a wall mount TV. We also have a Jack and Jill door into one of the hallway bathroom up here. And all the colors are selected by the homeowner. We painted. This has a 4-foot vanity. Another door going into the adjoining bedroom, which is right over here. So you have shared bathroom. And then this one has a toilet. We have the custom shower tub. You can see the beautiful tile work. We have a handheld here, and this place really came out nice. Now this is the bonus glass door package that we included on this particular project. And let's go into the other bedroom. All right, so through the bathroom, we have another door out to the hallway here. So we're in the 2nd bedroom, and again, this one has a wall mount TV. We have a closet here, great size closet. It has the shelving package, part of this particular home, and look at the beautiful floors that have been stained, oversized trim moldings. This place really came out great. Let's go down the hall now, and we'll make our way into the laundry. Over here we have the laundry package, and we have a side-by-side washer, dryer, all set to go. It's all connected. Has a water sensor on this particular unit, and that's all complete right outside the doors here. Easy, you don't have to go downstairs to do your laundry. And then this door right here leads into the master bedroom. All right, we're gonna go into the master bedroom, and here it is. As we walk in here, look at the size of this bedroom. We have a full 10-foot ceiling, crown moldings throughout. Look at how nice this came out. We have a wall mount TV set up, ceiling fan, recessed lighting, oversized windows, all egress. We have the walk-in closet and we have the master bathroom. So let's take a quick look at the walk-in closet. And here we have the shelving package, all part of this home. And we're gonna go inside now. We'll take a look at the master bathroom. And this is all fit in beautifully. I mean, look at this, the way we created this portion of the bedroom and made the walk-in closet over there. The master bathroom, we have a double vanity, his and hers, mirrors, lighting. And then as we walk in here, look at this beautiful shower. We have the toilet and a whole custom shower here. This is all custom made with we have a half wall here, and then all the glass work has been set up by us. And look at how nice this looks. We have a niche built into the wall there, a rain head, a handheld, the controls right here. Everything is all custom made to fit in here perfectly for this family. Okay guys, so in this particular home, we had installed a finished basement. So we're gonna go down there, I'll show you what we did. Okay, so let's go down here. And you can see we put a brand new set of stairs going down to the basement. When we get down here, we have controls of the lighting. And here we moved the cardboard. We had the cardboard laying out so that we could walk on it. But over here, we have a control room with the gas cable. Everything's in this particular closet. And we have a wall mount TV. Everything's been framed out. We put a sump pump and a French drain going all the way around the basement here. And it leads over to this right over here, this corner. And we framed out the lolly columns. We have a trunk line going through here. And this is just a great area for the kids. They'll be able to watch TV. We have a little closet under the stairs. And then as we go through here, this is a utility area. It's even more. It's an unfinished utility area. And as you walk in here, this will lead you to the multiple furnaces, hot water heaters, and we have a furnace for the main, a hot water heater for the main house, one for the apartment. This is heating and cooling for the first floor that we just came from. And then over here, we have the HVAC for Mom's apartment, and you can see it's all set up and connected. And we're going to go inside. We'll take a look at Mom's apartment in a minute, and we'll see how beautiful that area came out. But this is just what we did is we just kept this area unfinished, and we painted the walls, and the finished area is right inside here. All right guys, so right now we're gonna go out the back kitchen door into the apartment that's right behind this wall, and we'll take a look at the layout. This was an addition that we added on to the home for the mom, and she used to live upstairs in the two-family. Again, we converted the main house and built the separate apartment out back. So let's go take a look. Okay, so this is looking into the kitchen. We just came up the steps here, and you have the one door leading into the main house. This leads into the apartment. So we're gonna go in here, take a look at the layout that we have built for the mom. Okay guys, let's take a look. This is Mom's apartment, completely remodeled, brand new. She had the old apartment upstairs. Now when you walk in here, you have the washer dryer. The setup here, the layout is so efficient. We have a separate panel here for the electric. We have a little eat-in island here with pendant lighting. Cute little backsplash that matches the backsplash on the kitchenette area. And this is it. So here is the main living area right here. They're gonna have a couch here. They'll have the wall mount TV, oversized egress windows in here as well. And then as you turn, you have a great little layout here with the range, microwave, sink, refrigerator. They have a pantry over here complete with the shelving package. You can see that pantry, all the shelving. And it's all set up, so it's literally, again, turnkey. Mom has all this space here, brand new construction. And then in that door there is a full bathroom. In that door right there is a bedroom with a walk-in closet. So let's go in there. We'll take a quick look at how this looks. And look at this, all this space. Private bedroom, recessed lighting, ceiling fan, another wall mount TV here. And in here she has a walk-in closet, complete with shelving. This place is looking amazing. She's gonna love this area. She has her own entrance here, right up the driveway. And then outside, you have a full yard in the back. I mean, look at how nice this looks. Let's go take a look at the bathroom. All right, so in here, we created a full bathroom, vanity, a 30-inch vanity, the toilet, and then over here we have a custom shower, complete with the bonus glass doors, custom tiling. We have the handheld on the wall, recessed lighting, complete. So that concludes our multifamily home transformation. This was the final walkthrough. And if you and your family are interested in a home transformation, give us a call at 201-774-3733. Again, 201-774-3733. Ask for me, Dave. We handle everything from start to finish. Read our reviews. Give us a call. Ask for me. I look forward to speaking with you. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, if you're interested in information on how to hire a contractor, I put together a list. Click on the link down below. You'll get that information for free. Again, click on the link down below and you'll get that information on how to hire a contractor. You'll get it for free. Thanks. Hey guys, Dave here, and I'd really appreciate if you took the time just to click on the like button for this video. You can also subscribe to the channel, but if you click on that like button, it really helps us out. Again, just a little button on the down below, it says like, click on it, and I really appreciate it. Thanks.